What's up, YouTube? This is Cooking with Doug. I'm going to do a quick little review on my iRobot Roomba 960. This is the Wi-Fi enabled iRobot, and it works with your Echo devices, by the way. But it works Wi-Fi, and it has an app on your phone, so you can control it through your phone or a tablet as well. Computer, tell Roomba to clean.
Okay, RoboClean has started vacuuming.
Computer, tell Roomba to go home.
I will send RoboClean home.
As you saw earlier, I have it in the back of my couch, or should I say love seat, just so that it's just away from everything. No one can even see it's there. So when it's finished vacuuming, or when I tell it to go home, it automatically goes back to that like docking station right there, and that's where it charges as well. This doesn't run on batteries or anything. And this will give you about 72 minutes. And the good thing about it, if you have I don't have a big house, but if you had a big house, after 72 minutes, it would automatically go back to the charging station and charge, and then go back to the same spot where it left off and continue cleaning, which is pimp-like. Roomba to resume cleaning.
Okay, RoboClean has resumed vacuuming.
I'm just giving you a demo of what it does. Roomba to pause.
I will pause RoboClean.
I'm on a low carb diet. Some of y'all, my subscribers know, so I can't eat none of this stuff. I miss it. Well, let's sprinkle this on the floor and see how it does cleaning it up. See that, y'all? Resume cleaning. Tell Roomba to resume cleaning.
Okay, RoboClean has resumed vacuuming.
We'll see it when it gets back to that section. Is it gonna go there? Let's see. Okay. Let's see if we'll get it now. Oh, it backed up. Okay. By the way, guys, this is my Fire TV Cube right here. Computer, tell Roomba to stop.
Would you like RoboClean to return home?
No.
All right.
Alright guys, so let's take a look at it real quick. And I'm going to flip it on the bottom. I haven't even looked at the bottom since I've got it. It was just so easy to put together. I took it out the box. I hooked it up to my my Wi-Fi, then hooked it up to my Echo app, and that's all I did. So some of this stuff we're going to see together for the first time. But I do know it does have these little bumpers. So if it hits a chair or something or some type of furniture, it goes like that and it knows to move away. So it'll take the impact and just move away. That I know that. I know that. And okay. Let me show you. So when I hit that button, it will go home. Of course, obviously if I hit that, can you see it? Does it? It says clean. It'll clean. And I don't know what that is. I'll figure that out later. This does have some form of a camera right there. All right, let's take a look. Okay. We got this wheel here. Rolls pretty freely. Okay. I guess this is where all the dirt and stuff comes out. I gotta figure out how to empty that. Let's see if I could do that. Before I do that. Okay, that's cool. That I guess loosens up the dirt before it sucks it up, I assume. Okay guys, I'm gonna take a look at the dirt tray for the first time. I've never taken it out. But there it is. Right here. And I guess I empty it out like that. Or maybe there's a better way. Let me see. Alright, so you just pry it open like that and empty it right in your garbage. So if you really, now this can go on carpets and we're going to demo that as well, but if you have really dirty carpets, this will take no time to fill up. So and you do have a filter up there that can be replaced or cleaned out, whatever. So I just dumped it in my garbage and now we're good to go. And like I told my cleaning lady, this machine is not going to replace your deep cleaning. This is just in between your cleaning. All right, let's see if we can put it back. Oh, there we go. Boom. It did come with this, guys. This is what I call like a barrier. I don't know the real name of it, but it has two modes. Up is just like a completely like block that section, and the bottom one is just to that particular, like say like cat, like dog or cat food, like you have it in the bowl, you would put it down and you just put it right in front of it and it just wouldn't go in that particular section. But I'll show you more what I'm talking about. Alright guys, let's see how it goes over this strip. I know it can, but I wanted to show you guys. Some of you may have questions on how it operates with that. So I'm not going to be lazy this time. I'm actually going to press clean. Hopefully it goes straight. There we go. See? Alright. See, went over my doormat, no problem. Gonna come back. No problem. Guys, so there's my barrier right there. You see it to the bottom right. And that tells the Roomba, do not pass. Don't even come close to that barrier. So I'll show you what I'm talking about. Well, it came close, but didn't cross it. show you again. So yeah, that's what it mostly does, but I took the barrier away. So we're gonna attempt. I know it's gonna have problems going over this because this is thick. So it's and excuse my flooring, guys. I'm gonna do that over another day, but it is what it is right now. So we're gonna try and go over it now, and you're gonna see if it has problems doing it or not. Okay, well it did it just fine. So since we're in my kitchen, let's go in there. All right, let's get in here. And for those who are not subscribed to my Cooking with Doug channel on YouTube, please subscribe. All right. So you see what happens when it hits the door? So it's best to, when you do this, it's best to lift up your chairs. I mean, it'll get around it, but it'll just be so much easier if you lift them up. Guys, it also remembers what it's doing. So even if it skips a spot, it'll get back to it somehow. See? All right, then let's go upstairs. Now, why a Ninja Foodie lid is by my heater, my space heater, I have no idea. I don't know. I'm sorry. But anyway, we're about to take one for the team. I assume it wouldn't fall off the steps, but hey, you guys would laugh if it did. So let's go. Let me position it. Let's see what happens. I don't think it will. So we're on carpet now. It'd be funny if it did, though. I would have laughed. It didn't do it, though. See? So you don't have to worry about that. Let's take a trip down the hallway, y'all. That's the half bathroom. That's AJ's room. And to the right is AJ's playroom. We're going to go in here. Let's see if it goes in there. No, you'll go back down first. Okay. It leaves a little trail too, like a vacuum. Okay. All right, we got another Echo device right in there, as you see. Tell Roomba to start cleaning.
Okay, RoboClean has resumed vacuuming.
And of course, guys, it does come with a manual. Of course, I forgot to show you that. Oh, and what I also forgot to show you is it does have a an app, iRobot app. And you go there. This is a Samsung S10 Plus, guys, if you wanted to know. So this is the app. I got my air fryer going in the background. I'm air frying some something for AJ. I'm about to pick him up from after school. So if I just hit clean, it'll start cleaning. What else does it do? You have history, right? Charts, help, settings. What's in settings? I don't know. Oh, personal information. You don't need to see that. But anyway, just to give you a quick, see? And put it back. I just do that. Robot is pause, resume, or send home. Send home. Now, guys, if you get this for a gift, you do not have to use Wi-Fi. You don't have to hook it up to your Wi-Fi or anything like that. Don't feel away if you don't hook it up to your Wi-Fi. But if you're buying this, I would wonder why you buy this if you're not taking advantage of the, the network features. Because there are other versions of the iRobot that, that is not Wi-Fi that I guess, assuming are cheaper, that you could buy. So, yeah. Well, anywho, guys, that's my little review on the iRobot Roomba 960 Wi-Fi enabled iRobot. I'll leave a link in the description. Of course, you can get this on Amazon. You can get it at QVC. You can get it at HSN, whichever works best for your pocket. But I'll leave the Amazon link there as well for you guys. I think I caught this on sale at QVC for $3.99 free shipping, 6 flex pays. I know Amazon has it for like $450 at the moment. Do you need this machine? No. However, will it be helpful to you? Yes. If you're a person that sweeps up maybe once every 2 weeks or once every week and a half or as needed, this will help. Like for me, my cleaning lady comes every 2 to 3 months, really every 2 months. So I would do this once a week down here in my living room, dining room area. And in my kitchen. Now, I like to sweep my kitchen. But this will help. But really why I personally got this, I wanted to figure out how to use it because I really want to get it for my mom for Mother's Day. She's in her 80s and she still cooks dinner every day. And, I know that she sweeps the kitchen. And her kitchen is not big. It's not huge. It's not small, but it's not huge. So this would work good. I probably have to buy 2 barriers for her. And it can clean the kitchen and go back home and charge and wake up in the morning, at least the kitchen floor would be clean. That's one less chore she would have to do at this stage of her life. So I think that would be awesome for her. Because Pops ain't sweeping too much. Ladies, you know how that goes. So like I said, this will not replace sweeping altogether. This is like an in-between sweep. It is not a deep sweep. It's just getting loose stuff off the ground for you, dust and little particles and stuff like that. I recommend lifting up your chairs. It just makes things easier. It could do it with your chairs down. It just make things easier and quicker. It did my living room, dining room the other day in 35 minutes, which I think it's fine. Like I said, this goes up to about 72 minutes. And if it's running for 72 minutes and it's still not finished, like I said, it will go back to the charging dock, charge all the way up, and then continue where it left off, and then go back without you doing anything. So running this at night or while you're at work is wisdom. All right. So I hope you like this review. I'm a cooking channel, so I'm not going to go too much in depth with this. So I hope this was at least useful for you and, something new for my subscribers to look at and consider. All right. Cool.